that occurs per cycle. Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. So you have a higher frequency, right? But it's the same sound. It constitutes an octave. To understand this in music, you have to study physics, right? Now, physics and music are mutually algorithmic, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So when you hear A chord, primarily is 440 hertz. That is the number of waves.
Phenomena. I kind of wanted to know, well, okay, well, you can illustrate three-dimensional forms on a two-dimensional surface, but you have to follow different laws. So I became infatuated with and this is what gives you the reference. And it has to do with diagonal and horizontal lines. Diagonal and horizontal lines are used primarily on a two-dimensional surface to illustrate the three-dimensional optical illusion that